This old guy DIY video has to do with the setup that I use to catch chipmunks in Victor rat traps. So I went to Maynard's, and after rebate they had some plastic gutter that was $1 for 10 feet. So I measured 24 inches and I cut 2 pieces. So you have a bottom and a top. And you can see I have that little zip tie in there. So I drill a hole through the bottom in 2 places. I just use a zip tie to hold the trap in place. And then when I bait this thing, I dump sunflower seeds in here, and I dump sunflower seeds over in this side of the trap. And I also throw sunflower seeds here, so it kind of leads the critters in. And then I made a top out of this second piece that's 24 inches long. And that piece of material on the side is just slip sheet. A guy could use cardboard or wood, whatever you want to use. But I cut 2 pieces that are 4 inches wide by 24 inches long. Basically, that makes a top kind of like an old bridge for a train. When I get the base set and have the bait on it, I just take this top and I set it on there. So you can see there's plenty of room for the trap to fire, but it keeps the critters from coming over the side. It keeps birds out. For the most part, it keeps coons away. Sometimes you'll go back and the top is knocked off because a coon tried, but you're not going to catch a coon in your rat trap. Having the top on there just focuses the critter right where you want him. He's going to come across that pan. And since I started using this technique, I haven't had any triggered traps that didn't have a chipmunk in them. So right now I'll grab some sunflower seeds. I'll go set this and I'll show you what it looks like when it's set. For the sake of people who may want to make one of these at home, I tried to make the assembly as simple as possible. You see, I just drilled 2 holes in 3 different places along the edge of that 24-inch piece. I just used zip ties to hold the 24-inch piece of slip sheet to the plastic gutter. You can see how I took the slip sheet and just aligned it with the straight edge of the gutter before I used the zip ties to put it in place. This is what it looks like when I set the trap before I put the top on. So you can see sunflowers at the edge, sunflowers in the middle, sunflowers at the other end. Now I'll put the top on and that'll be that. The top is on, the trap is set, and it's ready for business. I'm out here checking the trap this morning. And we got a double. Very rarely does that happen. Normally when the trap trips on one of these little critters, there's enough vibration that the other trap also goes off and there's nothing there to pay the fee. But in this case we got 2. I've rebaited the trap and we'll put it back to work. I'm back for round 2 today. And in this case we got 1 on this side. That trap is still set. No chippies today, just an ambitious mouse. I hope this little video helps you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and thank you for watching.